So I uploaded here videos to YouTube for 93 days, and the majority of those videos were actually regular video. I did some of the shorts as well, but the majority were regular videos. So I want to kind of show you my results, and I kind of want to tell you what I learned from this, which, by the way, spoiler alert, really not much because I knew this starting this challenge already. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And I'm going to tell you the main reason why I did this is because I wanted to build a library. Now, I've been in YouTube since 2013 and I have had multiple channels. I got another channel with a little bit around 20 million views or something like that. So I know that a library of content is necessary in order for you to be successful here. I have heard people talking about this. The more videos that you have, the more doors that could be open for some of you guys to essentially watch, right? So again, I wanted to do this to push myself to build a lot of content into the channel. But one thing that you need to understand from the beginning is that the content that you're going to build is going to take a long time to rank in some cases. There's other cases that don't, but the majority of the time what I have realized is that it may take up to a year, 6 months, and even longer for some of those videos to rank. In fact, in my first channel that I built back in 2013, some of my biggest videos right now is videos that I did 5-6 years ago. And that kind of blows my mind because to me, it's kind of like, why? Why would videos that I did 5 years ago are doing so good now compared to the videos that I'm doing right now? I like to think that I got a little bit better, but again, it is what it is. It takes a long time. So again, as I share some of the analytics here, understand that the point here was really not to get a lot of views. It was more to build a library that I'm hoping and continue to pray that will start ranking in the next 6 months to a year. So again, I'm looking at these numbers right now and they may not be that impressive, but I understand that 6 months, a year from now, these numbers may make the channel explode. So again, think about that. So my biggest thing that I'm going to say about this, or my biggest component that I'm going to say is something that I said in the past. When you go into this challenge where you're going to do daily video, what really you're going to get better is in producing content faster. So how do you record? How do you capture the video? How do you capture the audio? How do you do your thumbnail? How do you upload? How do you schedule? So again, what really you get out of this is that you're going to establish procedures and policies and your own work that is going to allow you to become a better creator. So remember that. That's kind of like a side effect out of this. A lot of times people concentrate on the content and you don't realize that you are going to get better. And I think that I did got a little bit better in here. So again, you got August 4th to November 5th. That was the time frame. Obviously, now I got 205 subscribers, which I gained a pretty good amount of subscriber, 138. Again, for being a new channel that I really haven't promoted anywhere, that's good. I got 36,000 views and I got 744 hours. Now, think about this like a snowball, right? The more that you put or the more videos that you have, the more that this is going to go down. It's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So I'm really excited about that. You see right here, I got 648 views. But the interesting thing is that I stopped posting video in this channel about a week ago. And I was about 1100 to 1200 ranking, even 900 to 1100, pretty consistent. Obviously, as you can see, when I stopped for a week, it kind of went down a little bit. So something to think about it. So again, this is kind of like the numbers right here. If you look at some of these videos that I did, I can tell you right now that some of these videos that are ranking are not videos that I did during this period. For example, this computer video right here, as you can see, it says May 5th, and this is my #1 video, but this was not part of the batch that I did. Not this one neither, not this one neither, not this one neither, not this one neither. None of this, none of this. So again, as you can see, none of these videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, are part of those videos that I did during this 93 days. So what is that telling you? It takes time for the videos to rank, right? And now you can see one right here, number 10 is actually one of the videos that I did October 6th. So that kind of follow into that. So here's the thing, guys. I think that posting daily video could be very, very beneficial for some of you guys because you're going to get better on producing video. The problem about this is that eventually you're going to burn out. Eventually you can't take it no more. It takes a lot of work. So my advice is if you're trying to do this, pace yourself. Do like a challenge. Let's do 30 videos, or 45 videos, and then we're gonna take a little break where we go to 2 videos, 3 videos a week to kind of recharge the batteries. Then you jump again into another 45 videos, because I'm gonna tell you, putting daily videos is a great idea. It's gonna pay off. It's gonna allow your channel to grow, and I truly believe that because I've done it in the past, not only in this channel and other channel. But the reality is that when you're a solo creator, you may burn yourself out, especially if you have another job or something like that. So kind of tackle this in kind of like seasons, right? This season I'm gonna do 30 videos so I could get better, and then I'm gonna take a break for a month, doing 2 videos, 3 videos a week, and then I'm gonna do another challenge. That's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and post as many videos as I can. I'm in a mission to be able to monetize this channel as fast as I can. And as you can see, if I come here and I do last 365 days, you see that I got 50,000 views, 1.1 hours. And I really started focusing in this channel on that August 4 when I started the challenge. Before that, I did post some videos, but it really wasn't something that I was really passionate to work on. And since I did that, you could see big scale right there. October 19, I had a big scale. You see some of the numbers increasing, obviously, right here between that. If I do the last, let's do that last 90 days, you can see that right there as well, right? So again, appreciate you guys watching. If you're planning to do daily content, I think this could help your channel a lot. I think it's gonna push you out there. Just remember that there's a lot that you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn how to produce videos faster. But if you need to take a break after 45 days or something, take a quick break and then you tackle that again. That's kind of my advice when it comes to that. That's kind of what I'm gonna do as well. So again, some of the results that I got here on 93 days. I posted more than 93 videos because I did post a bunch of shorts as well. So I hope that helped one of you guys out there. So I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.